10 तारखेपासून 10 ते 13 9 तारखेक फूड अँड कल्चर फेस्टिवल हो 9 तारखेक स्टार्ट जाता 9 ते 13 हे दोन्ही उत्सव फूड अँड कल्चर तुगेले आहा फूड अँड कल्चर फेस्टिवल आणि कार्निवल हो धूमधडाक्यान गोंयांत 3 दीस धूमधडाक्यान चलता फ्लोट जे आमचे आसात राजधानी पणजेसान चालू जातले आणि आता मातसो जागो मातसो चेंज जाला मिरामार सर्कल जे आसा बीच सर्कल थंयच्यान स्टार्ट जातलो हे फाटी पयलीच फावट पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाचो फ्लोट्स आसा आणि तो एक बरे संदेश घेऊन ताजे भितर सहभाग जाता.
As he has taken to show what is the new concept, we have budding artists here. They are there. They will be here presenting the song of the Carnival theme this year, which will be the focal point of this year's Carnival. And both these youngsters, our local team, who has made this song, will be the focal point of this Carnival theme this time.
Yeah, Miramar Circle. This is a Miramar Circle. Okay, and this is the Donapal Circle. That is the NIO Circle. The route of the parade will be from Science Center up to the Hotel Swim Sea.
I want to see clean go up, and to do this, I want to make sure that it doesn't depend only on the government; it's for every individual.
We are going to keep around 12 to 15 trolleys. You know, we got new trolleys shining, green and blue. Around 15 of our CCP workers round the clock will be there along with volunteers. So even anybody having beer can release themselves fully in the stand toilets. Have given the Panjim Carnival Committee a budget of 20 lakhs. I had asked for 50 lakhs, but they give only 20 lakhs. If you have to do something grand, mana is required. That you go and ask the tourism minister. You ask him why he not given, no?
जो वेन्यूचेर आमचो प्रोग्राम चार्ज तितून आमी सगळे फूड स्टॉल्स गेम्स एंड एम्युजमेंट हे सगळे आमी दवरलेले आसा थंय लॉट्स ऑफ स्पॉट प्रायजीस आमी डिक्लेअर करतले. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टुरिजमान प्रायज मनी वाडयलेले आसा जे पयलीं 60,000 आसले ते आतां तेंच्यांनी 1 लाख रुपया केल्ले आसा आनी तशेंच प्रत्येक ट्रेडिशनल तितून 1 लाख केला. क्लब एंड इन्स्टिट्यूशन हितून 60,000 केला. फन एंड जंग हितून 20,000 आनी अशें करून सगळे टोटल प्रायज मनी जवळ जवळ 13.5 लाख रुपया तेंच्यांनी डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसा.
फातोड्ड्यामात विजय सरदेसायान आपलो स्वताचो कार्नावाल आयोजीत केला.
So revival of the street dance, bringing it on the standards of Panjim, getting the high-end 5-star people to be involved. And पहिले दिसाचो आमी हो big fat set Carnival blast म्हणून करतात. त्या दिसा we have an international band called Camel Riders, a Sri Lankan band called Sleeping Chairs, 4 front म्हणतात, and the DJ Naveen Mittal, who is from Fatorda himself. Mostly all the bands which are featured are all bands with Goan हे तर पयले दिसाचें सोडलें. मागीर फुडले जे दीस आहा 3 दीस तेन्ना आमी पर्पल रेन, टायडल वेव, ट्रू ब्लू, लॉर्ना म्हणटात अशें म्हणटात की इट्स गोइंग टू बी हर perhaps the last time that she is performing. That is what she says. I don't want her to perform for the last time. तुम्ही म्हज्या तोंडान बी घालतात तें की हाजेर सोंपलें म्हणलें ते म्हणटा तें हांवें सांगिल्लें आहा तुमकां. स्काय हाय एसीज कोंकणी प्रोग्राम बँड इज लिंक्स रागास टू रिचीज. These are all good bands and everything comes free.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.